The Lion and the Cows. Once upon a time, in a jungle lived 3 cows. The cows were very close friends. Whenever a wild animal tried to attack them, all 3 cows used to fight together and chase them away. Therefore, no animal in the dense jungle dared to attack the cows. But there also lived a lion in that jungle who wished to kill and eat the cows. He tried several times to attack and kill them, but as always, all 3 cows chased him away. So, the lion started thinking of different ways to separate them. Finally, he came up with a devious plan. He started spreading rumors and telling false tales in the jungle about the cows. With the help of other animals in the jungle, the lion was soon able to pitch the cows against one another. The lion was happy to see his plan working. After some days, the lion attacked one of the 3 cows. The other 2 cows did not come to help their former friend, even after watching that she was being attacked by the big lion. After a few days, the 2 cows that were left also had to face the same fate and were killed by the lion. Moral: Unity is strength.